They say if you want to sell your product, get a cute little dog for your commercial. Here, Buster, fetch the 7-Up. Oh, Buster's sleepy. Drink it when you wake up, little friend. When you're selling soft drinks, the most important thing is getting them on the shelf. So how do I find room for a great tasting drink like 7-Up? Oh, the answer's easy. Can I get a mop on aisle 6, please? Thank you. In the soft drink game, you gotta put your vending machines where the people are, in what they call high traffic areas. Well, it can't get much more high traffic than this, baby. Don't worry, there's enough for everyone. You need change? Good to see you again. This little fella looks thirsty. Okay, can we get a new machine out here, please? Thank you. Welcome to the 7-Up blind taste test. Go ahead, try the other one.
This is dishwashing liquid.
See? 7-Up tastes better. Like shooting fish in a barrel. Next